What's going on, everyone? Got a 2024 Hyundai Sonata. Today I'm going to show you how to pull out your cabin filter, okay? Cabin filter is going to be located behind your glove box, so we're going to need to lower the door. First step is going to be to disconnect the damper you have here, and then you have these stoppers here that stop the glove box from opening too far. You're going to have to push it in and pull down on both sides, okay? And you might have to go back and forth a little bit to get it to come down, especially if you're doing it with one hand, okay? And then you can lower the glove box down. And right here, this door here, we're going to open this door up. That's where the filter is going to be. Right here on the right side, we're just going to squeeze these tabs, pull towards us, and pull this out, okay? Here's our cabin filter. Notate the airflow. And this car's pretty new, so this filter is not going to be dirty. It's pretty clean, but if you need one, I'm going to have the part number and a link takes you to Amazon if you want to get a new one, okay? So once you get your new one, just install it in reverse order. Kind of hard to do with one hand here. You can do it. Again, airflow is going down. The door, left side goes in first. It just pushes on. Your glove box, close it. Damper just snaps back on. And you're good to go. Hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it. Hit that like button for me, leave me a comment. Hope to see you again in another video.